Okay, guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. We are going in the Dollar Tree. What? What's that? Oh, they hungry. What? This old lady. Here. Okay. So, look at how they flip-flop us out. Let's see. Let's see. Well, let me go back this way. Okay. So, let's go here. Let's see what they got. Oh, well, they only have two coast. That's body wash. We have coupons for that to make these free. Let me see about the Coast bars. Let me check and see in the coupon. Okay, we're gonna see how we do with body wash the Coast. This store don't really have a lot in it. And the last time I came in here, this lady was so critical of these body washes, and she was just critical of everything that I just put it back and left. So we're gonna see what we can do. Oh, I need that for my cats because they are out of hand. I need this for their food to go on. So we'll get that. Let's see what else is here. Okay. Yeah, the travel kit is back. She probably will not. If she don't let us get it, guys, that's okay. Just leave. Like I tell you, if it beep, it beep. If they don't let you get it, they don't let you get it. That's cute. Those are little totes. You're a peach. Pugs and kisses. I got a lot last year, guys. I bought a lot of my boot socks out of here for my boots. You know, I live in a cold climate, so you got to make sure you get warm with these places. Now, let's see. Sometimes you can find Johnson's and Johnson's in here. Now this one is wiped out and it's junky and it's tore up in here. So I don't know. I might not even coupon in this one today. I don't like the way it looked. I felt like they could have done better with the tissue. Look at that. I don't think they're doing a good job. It's tore up in here. It's not, this ain't no good one. Not today. So we're gonna see. Let's see if they got any Glad. They have renews it. Oh, they do. Glad, two Glad products. So I can grab some of these, which they're $1 a piece, but they're $1 off two. So let's grab 4 Glads because I brought 2 with me. So we're gonna get those 2. Do they have the spray? Well, they got the Airwick spray, but that's about it. Let's see, they got Spick and Span, Chlorine, the works. Oh, Comet. Okay. Plumber, Suavia, Lime Away. Y'all know we get Lime Away all the time, right? All the zip ties you want. So let's go back this way and see. But hey, if I can't get it, I'm not gonna get it. Okay. Okay, health and beauty. Let me see. You know what I noticed? Okay, sell CDs. Done the 20 count. We had a coupon came out we could use it on, and she would not let me use it. And that's all I don't know. I might have to scrap this store because she up front today, and I'm like, oh my god. She read every single coupon. Oh, I'm not gonna scan it. And she kind of like talk to you like you stealing, and I don't want to be disrespectful, so I kind of leave her where she at. I don't want to be rude to her. But it's a black girl online. It's another girl online now. So Aqua Fresh. I was looking for Aqua Fresh. The last time I was in here, they was. So two adult, those you might not be able to use. Those are extra clean, extra clean, extra clean. Travel. I might be able to do these because they say travel. Okay. So let's see. Because I see they got them. Toothbrushes I will buy, but please guys, do not buy toothpaste. It comes free basically. Okay, let's see the makeup. My daughter does makeup, and she swears by a makeup that they sell in here. And I'm thinking like they do, and she always tell me to look for, but I mean, I do my little foundation and a little gloss and I'm done. But like, people that she do, she said it has some Revlon in here, and that I do not see. I see LA I see Elf. Look at that. Elf is in here. We get coupons for those type of things. I do not see Revlon. I see Elf though. Okay. Oh, these are new. The Cheez-Its up in here. So those are new. Oh, look at the fruit roll-ups. Look, the Cheez-Its are new. They're clearing them out too. So, Sunny D. I have to check my coupon. Last time I came, that Sunny D coupon didn't work. So, sometimes it's a hit or miss. Like I tell you all, it's a hit or miss. I go to Tisha again. Okay. So, he is Heinz. Okay, this is a big bottles of Heinz. The Heinz I bought was about this size, but it was for 75 cents. Now, you would grab this one because it's $1 and it's much bigger. 20 ounce, and that one was a 14 ounce. So grab the bigger one, guys. Again, I like to do comparison shopping so you all could see what you should and shouldn't be buying. We do have some Welch's fruit snack coupon. Those I did not have with me, but we should be grabbing some more of those. Oh, look, jambalaya. The no pesticide there again. Idaho. Remember I told you these big bags of potatoes are the bags you should be buying instead of the little ones. $1, and you can get those. Barilla is always in here. Goya is always in here. Hunts is always in here. Let's go around this corner. And sorry. I'm over here skipping around like what the Okay. So I saw something I really liked, and this store does not have it. See, it pisses me off. But let me try one of these bags. I'm going to try this one and see how it works. And then if so, you all will be seeing what I have soon, because it's going to be fabulous. I just need a couple of plates for today. Let's see something. Let me grab that one. Let me grab that one. Let me see. See, I'm gonna quit coming to these stores. Look at that. It's just junk. And I feel like we come in here. This is a crafter's dream up in here. It's my dream too. I feel like they could do better than that. And I don't feel like they even try to do a good job. So they just literally have you in here shopping with this garbage like this. They're not even, to me, they don't even try to clean it up. They don't try to make it look nice. Like they don't even try to make it look like it's a nice store. And this store wasn't like this. this store was not like this. So I don't know what happened. Look guys, they got paint, ready to use temper paint, glitter glue. What's that? That's little paints. And then they got these crafter square paints. This will be my brother's dream because he's a painter, so he loves to paint. He's an artist. Came with his work. Pop dot tape and double-sided tape. I need that. I don't see them doing a good job in here anymore. I don't know about this store. I'm kind of getting some bad vibes from this store up in here. Okay guys, so we're at Dollar Tree, and once again it's stockpile time. They got the $1 off Coast coupons in the newspaper. You'll have to check back on my coupon insert review video to see which one it is, but these are free again. Stock up time. Remember when I told you they come around, but my store only had 2, so I grabbed the 2 they had, and I went and grabbed these. The coupon that's in there for 50 cents off of toothbrushes, adult or a child. If you get the one that says travel voyage toothbrush, but it's a regular size toothbrush, but it just says travel voyage, those are the ones. So you can use 4 of those coupons. So I grabbed 4 of those coupons. So basically I paid $2 for all of these items, which is good. It's stock up time. If you want to stock up on toothbrushes, stock up, not toothpaste. Please do not buy a toothpaste, guys. That is not a good deal when you could get toothpaste for free. It's the toothbrushes, you know, I get them for free every blue moon, but my kids, since this coronavirus has been going on, we've been going through toothbrushes, so I got to stack up on them. But here you are, Coast, stock up time. Also, I want to show you all something. My sister washes with this, a brightener. She said she bought an awesome out of the dollar store. So I am going to try it. I'll let you all know if it worked good. But she said that works really well. She was like, oh my God, I bet it. I love it. So I bought that also. So I had a budget of $2.50 for my couponing. But I only used $2. Technically, I'm going to put this money back into my stockpile budget. Remember that, guys. I'm going to put $2 back into that because these were free. So if you all get a chance, go to Dollar Tree and stack up on your body wash and toothbrushes. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe and share this channel.